Hi guys, welcome back to Asedoskitchen. Today I am making air fried chips. These lightly seasoned chips are quick, easy to prepare, super tasty and a healthy alternative to deep fried chips. They make the perfect snack or lunch idea without compromising on taste. Find the ingredients in the description box below and let's dive into the process. Here are the potatoes I prepped earlier. I placed them in a large bowl and seasoned them with onion powder, sweet paprika, mixed herbs, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. I toss the bowl until the herbs, spices, salt, and oil are evenly spread out. Then I set this aside and prep the air fryer basket for cooking. I spray the bottom of the basket with some oil and add the potatoes. Ensure the potatoes are evenly spread out. I cook this for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. I flip the chips, increase the temperature to 200 degrees and cook for another 10 minutes. The chips are now ready. I transfer them into a large bowl and add salt to taste. It is best to salt the chips immediately as the salt sticks better when the chips are hot. Serve them with some ketchup or paired with your choice of protein. If you love this channel, please show your support by liking, sharing and commenting down below. Your engagement helps draw attention to the channel. For more of my simple recipes, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to ensure that you're alerted every time I put up a new post. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.